again, like, I didn't come to social media first for all of this. Again, I know I should not go as far as showing my mom's audios and things like that. That's wrong on my end. But I want everyone to understand that I felt so, like, in a box. Like, I felt like I was in a box. So that's why I went as far as showing how my mom treated me in private. But again, I'm sorry for that. So
Okay,
that's
ምትል ያለችው ከመጀመሪያው ይቅርታ ማለት ፈልጋለሁ እናቴን because ይሄ እንዲሆን ነገሮች እንድንጣላና ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ እንድንመጣ ፈልጌ አልነበረም ግን አንዴ ስለተጣላን ያው በጣም ተናድጄም ተበሳጭቼም ስለነበረ እና basically ጫንቋት ነው በቃ ምንም ማርክ እንትን ሲላት መታ ያው ተናገረች ማለት ነው Okay, go on, Daisy.
And I want everyone to know, like, the reason I left was not because of Alex. That's the main thing I want to tell people.
As in from your mom's? Well, you trying to say basically you didn't leave home or from your mom's because of Alex, is that what you said?
Yeah, it's not because of a boyfriend or because, like, everyone's looking at me like, you'll see, like, one day, like, this is not because of my relationship. At the end of the day, I choose who I want to love, and that's none of your guys' business if I want to choose to love someone. At the end of the day, that's not what it was about.
Okay, let me explain. ምትል ያለችው መጀመሪያ ላይ መለየት የፈለኩት ከእናቴ ጋር ስለ አሌክስ ስለሆነ አይደለም ከበፊትም ጀምራ ራስዋን እንትን ማገዝ ፈልግ ነበረ ማለት ነውና አሌክስ ስለሆነ አይደለም እኔ ወጣሁት so you yeah oh, so cute he's so cute
yeah
okay so that's actually so sweet Daisy showing you some loves yeah go on
So, I want people to understand that I left for my mental health. Okay. I left for my mental health. That's number one. Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God help me. I don't even have to say mental health in Amharic. Hold on. Okay.
Mental health.
Like, yeah, I think ጭንቀት ነው መሰለኝ. Okay. Yeah, መውጣት የፈለኩት በጣም ጭንቀት ስለያዘኝ ነው በቃ like you know በጣም ስትጣሉ ወይም ከሰው ጋር ምናምን ጭንቅላታችሁ በጣም እንትን ሳይል ለመውጣት ማለት ነው guys sorry I don't know እንትን mental health በአማርኛ I think ጭንቀት ነው መሰለኝ
yeah
go on
yeah and I want everyone to know Yoni Manya I respect Yoni Gin he was so wrong for everything that he did
I agree.
Yoni you were very very wrong I called you before the live this is I respect you Yoni but a kibber halagan any like Liddell Yoni defeats the live and I said to him I left for like Layla reason no it's Wend Idolin I say Abake like don't make this about Wend I say I left for my mental health and when we went live he made it fully about a guy and he's wrong for that
Okay, let me tell them. ከዮኒ ማኛ ጋር በጣም ዲስፖይንትድ ሆኛለሁኝ ለምን መጀመሪያውንም ደውዬልን ነበረ ገና ሳንገባ ላይፍ ላይ እንትን አስረጅቸው ነበረ እና ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም የወጣሁት ብዬ በደንብ አውርቼው ነበረ እና ስንገባ ላይፍ ላይ ወደ አሌክስ አድርጎ ጠምዝዞ ማለት ነው እንትን ማውራት ጀመረ ማለት ነው እና አከብርሃለሁ ግን ዲስፖይንትድ ሆኛለሁ አለችው አባይ ቆነን
yes okay at our black waiting okay so Yoni you were very wrong at the end of the day any hiring I asked Yoni I say please don't make this about Wendt he made it about the guy I can't do anything about it now plus Yoni Amarang it's Idolum so I during that live I felt like I didn't know what to say and I cannot explain myself so Yeah, so I left for my mental health, and that's none of your guys's.
Wait, let me tell them quickly. Daisy.
Yeah.
So Yoni life ላይ ያለች ጊዜ ያው ለወንድ አይደለም መጀመሪያም ብለው ነበረ፣ ግን እሱ አልሰማትም። ያው ሰዎቹም ኮመንት ላይ አውቀው ወደ አሌክስ ምናምን ሲሉም አይ ቲንክ ለቪው ነው እሱ እንትን ሲል የነበረው ሞር ኢንስቴድ ኦፍ ለዴዚ ለማገዝ ማለት ነው። እና ያው በጣም እንትን ደስተኛ አይደለሁም እንደዛ በማድረጉ ብላለች። እና አሁን ልትነግራችሁ ነው ለምን እንደወጣች ማለት ነው ከቤት ወይም ለምን ከእናቷ ጋር የተለያዩት ማለት ነው። አሁን ልትነግራችሁ ነው። Alright, go on, Daisy.
Yeah, so I want everyone to know, like, where should we start? Like,
I guess before you left, remember they said, "Oh, why did you want to go?" It was your idea basically to leave from the States to Addis. So I think maybe you should tell them maybe on the beginning how when you start where people start getting to know you and everything, and then obviously you wanted to go to Ethiopia so you can kind of go on.
Yeah. So I want, first of all, Yoni, he told people that I wanted to be famous and I went to Ethiopia to be famous. But I want everyone to know, like, I was already trending on Ethiopian TikTok before I went to Ethiopia. And I made the decision to go because I felt like I could escape a toxic household. That's why I went to Ethiopia.
Okay.
I felt like if I got the attention and if I make my own money as an adult, I felt like, okay, I could leave this toxic household.
Okay, let me explain.
Okay.
ኢትዮጵያ የዛን ዮኒ ላይፍ ላይ ያለች ለመሄድ የፈለግሽው ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ፌመስ ለመሆን ነበረ ብሏታል መሰለኝ። እና እሷ የምትለው ያለችው እኔ ኦልሬዲ ታዋቂ ሰው ያቀኝ ነበረ ከአሜሪካ ከመውጣቴ በፊት ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ለመሄዴ በፊት ማለት ነው። ግን እናቴ ጋር ከበፊት ጀምሮ ነበረ ደስተኛ አልነበርኩት። በጣም ማውራት አትፈልግም። ግን ቲክቶክ ላይ ታዋቂ ሲሆን አለች ወደ ኢትዮጵያ ከሄድኩ ደግሞ ሞር ታዋቂ ከሆንኩኝ ያው ኦብቪስሊ ብር ምናምን ይከፈላታል። ሶ የዛኔ በደንብ ከሰራሁኝ ያው ራሴን ችዬ እወጣለሁ ብዬ ነው እንደዛ ነው አስቤ ሄድኩት ወደ ኢትዮጵያ አለች። ዳስ ደ ሆል አይዲያ ለምን ሄደች ወደ ኢትዮጵያ። ኦልሬዲ ሰዎች ያውቋት ነበር ኢትዮጵያ ከመድረሷ በፊት። ኦኬ ኮንቲኒው።
Yeah, and so that's when I finally got to Ethiopia, and it was becoming very more toxic. Like you guys know, like as like a social media influencer in Ethiopia, like you always have to be safe, and you always have to, like you just have to be safe in Ethiopia. Period. Even if you're not a social media person, you have to be safe, right?
I think it's the whole Africa. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. So the way my mom was handling me, like I had people on the street saying, "Oh, Daisy, 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 Daisy." Our phone got stolen one time. People were bullying me. People, like, I was not safe at all. Like I there was times where I didn't even want to come out my house because people were harassing me on the street. I just couldn't go out, period. Like every time I go out, I'm covering my face because it was dangerous for me. It was dangerous for my mom as well. And I just got to a point where I was tired of being in Ethiopia. Yeah.
ኢትዮጵያ ያለን ጊዜም እንትን ያው ሰዎች ቲክቶክ ላይ ምንም ስለሚያዩ ስለነበሩ መንገድ ላይ ምናምን መሄድ አልቻለችም። ያው ኢትዮጵያ አለች። ያው ታዋቂ ስትሆኝ ደግሞ ሞር እንትን መጠንቀቅ አለብሽ። እና እሷና እናቷ አፍሪካ አብረው ሲሆኑ ወይም ሴኪሪቲ ምናምን አልነበራቸውም። እና መንገድ ላይ ስትሄድ አንዳንዶቹ ዴዚ ዴዚ እያሉ ያው እንትን ሰዎች ያጨናንቋት ነበር ምናምን። ያው አይ ቲንክ ደግሞ ቋንቋ በደንብ ስለማችል ፉሊ ያው ግራ ይገባት ነበር መሰለኝም from what she's telling me። እና ሴፍ አልነበርኩም እና በጣም ተጨናነቅኩኛል፣ አልወደድኩትም አለች። ሌላ ደግሞ ስልክ ሁላ ተሰርቆባቸው ነበር መንገድ ላይ እንትን እያደረጓቸው። ቡሊ እንዴት ነው በአማርኛ? guys please help me እንትኑ ላይ
like አንድ ጊዜ like I will say like a girl literally threw a chair at me because I was not protected in Ethiopia. Like my mom was fighting with people. Like it was just not good for my mind. And with that,
okay. So እንትን የሆነች ሴትዮ ደግሞ ወይም የሆነች ልጅ እንትን ወንበር ሁላ ወርውራባት ነበረ እና እንትን በጣም መጥፎ ሰዓት ነበር ያሳለፍኩት ነው የምትለው። Didn't you guys have no like taxis and stuff when you guys moved?
Yes, we walked everywhere by foot. We never took, like, we would take taxis to like Leila Sefer and stuff like that, but for the most part, we were not protected at all.
ኦኬ መኪና ምናምን ይዛችሁ አልሄዳችሁም ነበረ ወይ አልኳት። እና አንዳንዴ ያው ወደ ሌላ ሰፈሮች ምናምን ስንሄድ አንዳንዴ ብቻ እንጂ ሁሌ አይደለም የነበረው በመኪና በብዛት በእግራችን ነበር የምንሄደው አለች። ስለዚህ ጋይስ ለኢትዮጵያ የሚኖረው ሜቢ ለእናንተ ኖርማል ይሆናል፣ ግን ሰዎች ሀገር የኖረው ጋይስ ኖርማል አይሆንም። ደግሞ እስቲ ኢማጂን የሆነ ታዋቂ ሰው ምናምን ሲሆን መንገድ ላይ ስትሄዱ ያው ጥሩ አይደለም ጋይስ። ኤኒዌይስ እሷን ፈልገው ኦኬ ጎ አሄድ።
And at the same time, you know, there was a lot happening. There was a lot of fights happening. When I was in Ethiopia, I didn't even live inside of a house. We were living in a room outside of the house. And with that, my mom was controlling everything that I do on live, everything. I did not feel comfortable. I felt stuck in a box, period. Like, of course, she's my mom. I respect her, but I just could not take it anymore, and that's why I decided to leave. And at the same time, I was being treated very bad by her. I was like, by the way, guys, this is not disrespect. Me coming on social media and saying that I don't like how I was treated. Stop normalizing that. If I don't want to be treated like that, then I don't have to stay in that certain household.
ኦኬ ምትላለችው ጥያ ምናምን ነበረም ላይክ እሱንም በጣም ማውራት አትፈልግም፣ ግን ብዙ ነገሮች ሆነው ነበረ እና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ሁላ ቤት አይ ቲንክ ተከራይተው እሷና እናቷ የነበሩት አንድ ክፍል ብቻ ነው እና አንድ ክፍል ውስጥ አብረው ሼር ስለሚያደርጉ ስለነበረ ላይፍ ላይ ምናምን ልትገባ ብትፈልግ እናቷ ትቆጣጠራት ነበረ። በቃ ፍሪ ሆና ነገሮች ማድረግ አልቻለችም። And now, yeah, go ahead, Daisy. So you said that you felt like you couldn't go on life and stuff.
Also, as of everyone saying that I was just a spoiled child, there were things that I wanted to clear up too. People said, okay, she bought me a new car, this like that. First of all, that was both.
Daisy. Because I forgot. I just told them that you felt like trapped, that you couldn't do things because your mom was around you. But you said something before that. You said that you do respect and love your mom, isn't it?
Yes, I do.
Nothing, but that alone. Of course, nothing. ግን በቃ ፍሪ ምንም ማድረግ አልቻልኩም ነበር። ፍሪ መሆን አልቻልኩም ነበረ። ላይፍ ላይ ስገባም ታጨናንቀኝ ነበረ። እና እንደዛ ነው የምትለው። እና ጋይስ ስፖይልድ ወይም ስለንትን ስለሆነች አይደለም፣ በቃ እናቷ ጋር ችግር አላቸው።
Yeah, by the way, even if I was so called spoiled, like just because you're rich doesn't mean that your mind is perfect. Like even Haptam Sawich, like there's abuse going on and like people don't understand it. It's
we can do even with what's his name, even famous people now the secrets are coming out and stuff. Yeah, it's true. She's ምትላለችው ሰዎች ሀብታም እና ብር ምናምን ስላላቸው it doesn't mean abuse ምናምን አያረጉም ብላችሁ ማሰብ የለባችሁም ነው የምትላችሁ ያለችው። ስለዚህ እቃ ኤክስፔንሲቭ እቃ ቢገዛ ምን ቢልም ሜንታሊ አይምሮሽ ንጹህ ካልሆነ ምን ዋጋ አለው ነው የምትላለችው። guys, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, and I don't know, there was other things that I wanted to say.
You said about your her buying you something. It doesn't mean
the car. People are saying, oh, Eswa, I dis making Alish. First of all, that was both of our cars. Like at the end of the day, that doesn't even matter. But it's not like she like buying a car for your child, and it's not like I'm not gonna congratulate you for you had a child. That's what you should
do.
Support them with. As an American, that's
መኪና ገዛች ተብሎ ይወራል፣ ግን መኪናው የነበረው ለሷም ለእናቷም ነው አብረው የሚጠቀሙት ያሉት ጋይስ። የሷም መኪና አይደለም ሂዳ ለዴዚ ልግዛ ብላ አይደለም የገዛችው መኪናው ለሁለቱም እንዲጠቀሙበት ነው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ መኪናን ብትገዛ ኦኬ ምን ችግር አለበት? እሱን ማድረግ አለባት ወይስ አዘናት አለች። Okay, go on.
Yep. Yeah, and plus that wasn't just my car, that was both of our we shared it. So, and she gave up her old car. Anyways, that doesn't matter.
Wait, let me say, hold on, Daisy. ያለችው መኪናው የራሷ እናትዮ አሮጌ መኪና ነበራት ከሱ በፊት ማለት ነው። እሱን ሰታ ይሄን ነው የገዛችው ቀይራ ማለት ነው። እና አብረው ነው እንትን የሚጠቀሙት መኪናውን። Okay, go on.
Yes, and as of my mom, there's a lot of like lies that she said to people. I don't take medication. I never. Alex has. I don't even like this. This is so crazy that I have to tell people this. Like any like minimum balagay photo aling.
Okay. ምትላለችው ወይኔ እንግዲህ ያለችው
like it's crazy that I even have to
ምናምን ፒክቸር ምናምን አለ ያው አቲ መናገር አትፈልግም ሁሉንም ግን ፒክቸር አለ ምናምን እያለ ወሬ የሚዞራል ግን ምንም ፒክቸር እሱ የለውም የኔን እናቴ ዋሽታለች እሱንም ሌላ ደግሞ ይሄ መድኃኒት ምናምን ትወስዳለች ያለችው የእብዶች ምንም መድኃኒት ወስዶ የለም እሱም ውሸት ነው okay go on
and you know like that's the main thing I left for my mental health not for a boy so I want everyone to stop putting their full blame on Alex because he has nothing to do with the reason why I left yeah
ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም እና አሌክስ እያላችሁ ቤሲክሊ እሱን አታንሱ ለሱ ብዬ አይደለም የወጣሁት እኔ የኔና እናቴ ችግር አለብን ለዛ መውጣት የፈለኩት ኢትዮጵያ ደግሞ ቀድም እንግዲህ እንደነገረችኝ ኢትዮጵያ ሄዳል ቲክቶክ እና ማድረግ የነበረው በደንብ ሴቭ አርጋ ያው ወታ የራሷን እንድትቻቻል ነበረ that was the plan ግን ኢትዮጵያ ያለች ዲፕሬሽን ምናምን ያዛት ጭንቀት ለምን ሰዎቹም እዛ ኢትዮጵያ ያሉት ያው ግማሹ ሰው ይወዳታል አንዳንድ ሰው ደግሞ ማይወዳት ሰው አጋጥሟት ነበረ and Daisy, do you want to mention the part where do you remember that almost someone poisoned you or something
yeah and also like there was a time in Ethiopia where like I kind of like passed out when I was in Ethiopia after eating food and I'm not saying like oh, okay someone intentionally did it to me but being in Ethiopia period like it was not good for my mental health that's all it was
okay so ኢትዮጵያ ያለች ጋይስ የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ሁላ በጣም ታማ ነበረ ምግቧን የምግብ በልታ ግን ሰውን እንትን ማለት አልፈልግም እንጂ አይ ቲንክ ማአት ነገሮች ሆኖባታል ኢትዮጵያ ያለች እና ለዛ ነው ጭንቀት ሲይዛት በቃ ወደ አሜሪካ ትምህርቴንና እንትን ራስ እንመለስ ለእናቷን የጠየቀቻት ለምን በሄደችበት ቦታ ሰዎች እንትን ያጨናንቋት ነበር በተለያየ ነገሮች
yeah and like period like everyone can stop blaming Alex for the reason I left and everyone's saying that I am not respecting my mom where was that respect when she's telling me to zigimini hiwet where was that respect when she makes me feel so terrible about myself like where like I'm not going to say I was the perfect child growing up like I would get into fights with her I would you know like things would get physical sometimes I went to Ethiopia to have that freedom maybe I'm get known and stuff to leave that toxic household that's why I went I did not leave for a boy you guys can stop saying that you're the troubling one that's the problem with Habeshas you guys blame your children for everything
ignore the negative comment don't even
yes but they need to understand like this is like you guys blame me for everything but at the same time you don't like ask okay where did this come from of her that's not my problem but at the end of the day behind closed doors I know how she is with me